everybody, what's up? Imran here from the Biker Crew UAE, and I am coming to you guys from none other, well, no place other than the Ducati Museum in Bologna. Not alone. I got company.
Hi guys, hope you're good.
Folks, say hi to Rumbi. And Rumbi rides an R6. Oh yeah. And what better way to start than a scramble? How Ducati started, folks, making cameras and radios and adding machines. Electric razors. And here is where it begins. 1949. Ducati 100 Sport, 1956. It set 46 world speed records. This is what racing bikes were in the good old days of bare bones racing. No electronics, no ABS, nothing to help you. Drum brakes, and a whole lot of guts. Wow. The racing bikes through the ages 1975, 1978, 1981, 1986, 1990, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, I'm sorry, 96, 2001, 2003, and the MotoGP bikes. 2003, Loris Capirossi. 2007, that's Casey Stoner's bike. 2008, Troy Bayliss rode that. 2010, folks, this is Nicky Hayden's bike. And 2016, Dovey himself. Ducati's 916 voted the most beautiful bike ever built in the 20th century. Now this, first of all, is a 2007 Desmo Sedici RR, which is a replica of Casey Stoner's bike. Okay? Replica. And I told Rumi to find the exhaust. And she found the exhaust. That's where it is. Goes up through there. That's where it pokes out from. All the trophies won by Ducati over the years. Well, I shouldn't say all, it's just some of the trophies won by Ducati over the years. Because I'm sure they've won a ton more than this and would probably need a museum of its own. Carl Fogarty's race suit. Troy Bayliss's race suit. Casey Stoner's race suit. That's it. I'm halting this video right now because there's way too much to show you guys about the Ducati Museum. So part 1 ends right now, but next week I bring you guys part 2. So thanks for watching. As always, ride safe and I'll see you on the road.